mint okra split mung beans stew. The tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Mung Beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the mint recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we're going to make mint okra split mung beans stew. 100 to 150 grams of split mung beans soaked in water for around 15 minutes to half an hour. The ingredients are around 150 grams of okra cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 green chillies, and around 100 grams of mint leaves. We've taken fresh mint leaves and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Thoroughly salt. Now let the shallots fry for some time. Now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, the shallots. Put in the ginger, salt, Now put in the lentil. Salt and lentil. The rest of the mix. Keep on salt. Now put in the okra pieces. Salt, okra. The rest of the mixture. That is what we need. Now put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in the mint leaves. And the tomato pieces. The green chillies. Salt. Put in the sweet lemon juice. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Now put 200 ml water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the mint okra split mung beans stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint okra split mung beans stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the mint recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the split mung beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.